This isn't a USB drive. It's a fully secure computer the size of my thumb. I plug it in and instantly, I have a full Claude Code AI agent running on my computer. No installation, no subscription, no GPU. And nothing, and I mean nothing, gets written to the host PC. Watch this. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux with the same drive. Same experience everywhere, and every chat, every file, every API key lives only on this drive. It's called PlugMate, an 8-core CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of hardware encrypted storage, all in 14 grams. It plugs into anything: phone, laptop, a public PC, and the AI, you don't install it on the host, you carry it with you. So what are we actually running? It's called Portable-OpenClaude, an open source AI coding agent that lives entirely in one folder. It brings its own Node.js, so there's nothing to install and nothing left behind. And here's the flexibility I love. You can run it straight on your computer like any normal app, or drop the exact same folder onto PlugMate and carry it in your pocket. Let's see exactly how it works. Go on the GitHub repository from the description, click on code, then copy the URL from the SSH tab. Then open a new terminal in the location you want to get it and use git clone. Open a new terminal again and make the bash file executable. Then you can run it directly. If you are doing this on Windows, just open the start.bat file instead. This is just a one-time download of the node component, which will take about 1 minute, so I will speed up the video. It asks for a provider. We want free, so NVIDIA NIM, free credits on every account. Sign up at build.nvidia.com, make an API key, copy it, paste it here. Pick a coding model from the list, and that's it. Setup done. Press 1, and the agent launches straight from the drive or from the place you have the directory running. Let's ask it what it can do for us. As you can see, it's just like any regular agent, for example, Claude or Codex. Now you can close the terminal and let's say is running on the PlugMate and you switch to a different computer. All you have to do is plug it in, open a new terminal, and run the start command again. From here, you can continue by choosing the action you want to perform. For example, you can select Change Provider, where you can switch the AI model and update the API key. Another interesting feature is Setup Offline, which allows you to download local AI models from Olama. These models can be used when you don't have an internet connection, allowing you to continue using the portable AI offline. And that's it. A full Claude Code agent on a 14-gram secure computer on any machine you sit down at. Windows, Mac, Linux. Free, no GPU, and offline if you want. PlugMate's linked in the description. It's what I recently started to use. And there's a discount down there too. Leave a comment and tell me what you'd run on it. See you in the next one.